Are you managing billions or simply aiming to think like those who do? Either way, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving into Aladdin by BlackRock, one of the most powerful financial platforms operating behind the scenes of the world's largest asset managers. From advanced risk analytics to end-to-end portfolio construction, Aladdin brings together data, technology, and risk tools in one unified platform to help institutions make smarter, more informed investment decisions. Trusted globally by banks, insurers, pension funds, and asset managers, Aladdin plays a critical role in modern financial infrastructure. In this video, we'll explore how it works, what makes it different, and whether it's the right solution for your organization. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is visit the official Aladdin website. Once you're on the homepage, look toward the top corner where you'll see the Connect option. Clicking on this allows existing users to log in using their credentials. However, if you're interested in accessing Aladdin for the first time or want to explore the platform through a demo or trial, you'll need to select the Book a Meeting option instead. This is the primary way BlackRock introduces new organizations to the Aladdin platform. After clicking it, you'll be asked to provide some basic information about your company, such as your organization type, size, and area of interest. Once your request is reviewed and approved, a sales expert or Aladdin representative will reach out to you directly to discuss next steps, pricing, and access. If you're just researching and want to understand what Aladdin offers before committing to a meeting, you can explore the main website in more detail. The homepage provides several navigation options, including Institutions, Platforms, Discover, and About Us. These sections give you a clear picture of how Aladdin is used across different industries and what specific solutions are available depending on your organization's needs. For this walkthrough, we'll focus first on the Institutions section, beginning with asset managers. Asset managers are firms that manage investment portfolios on behalf of individuals, institutions, and organizations, and this is where Aladdin truly stands out. For asset managers, Aladdin delivers end-to-end portfolio management capabilities, covering everything from trade execution and compliance to performance measurement and risk monitoring. It provides advanced analytics that help teams evaluate risk exposures, test scenarios, and make data-driven investment decisions. The platform also supports seamless integration across multiple asset classes, including equities, fixed income, derivatives, and alternatives, all within a single system. Next, we have asset servicers, which include custodians, fund administrators, and transfer agents. These organizations play a crucial role in the investment ecosystem by supporting fund operations and ensuring accurate record-keeping. Aladdin enhances transparency and operational efficiency for asset servicers by improving data delivery and integration with asset managers. It facilitates accurate valuations, reporting, and risk data sharing, helping reduce manual processes and friction across the entire investment lifecycle. Banks and brokers also benefit significantly from Aladdin. These institutions are responsible for trading, market making, and providing a wide range of financial services. Aladdin supports banks and brokers by enabling risk-aware trading strategies and delivering real-time exposure and profit and loss insights. This real-time visibility helps institutions respond quickly to market changes. Additionally, Aladdin assists with optimizing collateral and capital utilization, which is especially important in today's highly regulated financial environment, where efficiency and compliance go hand in hand. Then there are corporates, which are large non-financial organizations that manage treasury operations and corporate investments. For corporates, Aladdin helps streamline cash and liquidity management by providing a clear, centralized view of financial positions and exposures. It also offers enhanced visibility into market, credit, and liquidity risks, enabling corporate finance teams to make more informed decisions. On top of that, Aladdin improves reporting and compliance, making it easier for internal teams to meet regulatory and governance requirements. Another major user group is insurers. Insurance companies have complex asset and liability management needs due to long-term obligations and regulatory capital requirements. Aladdin supports insurers through liability-aware portfolio construction, helping align investment strategies with future liabilities. It also provides regulatory capital modeling and advanced risk analytics that enhance risk-return optimization while ensuring compliance with solvency constraints. This makes it easier for insurers to balance long-term commitments with performance objectives. Next, we have pension funds, which are long-term institutional investors focused on generating sustainable returns while matching liabilities over extended time horizons. Aladdin helps pension funds with strategic asset allocation tools, allowing them to plan portfolios that align with long-term obligations. It also supports performance monitoring, stress testing, and comprehensive risk assessment, helping pension funds track funding status and manage portfolio risks effectively over time. Aladdin also plays a vital role in private markets, including private equity, real estate, infrastructure, and private credit. Managing private assets can be challenging due to limited transparency and complex valuation processes. Aladdin addresses this by combining public and private market data into a single unified platform. This improves portfolio transparency and supports investment lifecycle management, from acquisition and valuation to reporting and risk analysis across complex asset structures. For wealth managers who manage portfolios for high net worth individuals and retail clients, Aladdin offers scalable portfolio construction and risk management tools. It enables advisors to create customized investment strategies while maintaining consistency and efficiency. Aladdin also provides client-ready reports and proposals, making it easier to communicate insights and recommendations. By integrating front, middle, and back-office workflows, the platform enhances operational efficiency and improves the overall client experience. Moving into the platforms section, one of the standout solutions is Aladdin Wealth. This is a tailored version of the Aladdin platform, designed specifically for wealth managers and private banks. Aladdin Wealth enables personalized, risk-aware investment advice and offers tools for portfolio diagnostics and scenario analysis. Advisors can also aggregate client accounts across multiple institutions, providing a holistic view of a client's financial situation. This strengthens the client-advisor relationship through data-driven insights and allows firms to scale advice while aligning portfolios with long-term goals and evolving market conditions. Another powerful offering is Aladdin Studio, which is a suite of developer tools and APIs that allow organizations to build, extend, and customize the Aladdin platform. With Aladdin Studio, teams can create custom dashboards and workflows, develop proprietary analytics, automate specialized processes, and integrate Aladdin with third-party or internal systems. It's designed for innovation and agility, enabling technology-driven teams to build tailored investment applications on top of Aladdin's core infrastructure. Then there's the Aladdin Data Cloud, developed in collaboration with Snowflake. This centralized cloud-native platform allows organizations to combine Aladdin data with third-party datasets and run advanced analytics at scale. By breaking down data silos, the Aladdin Data Cloud helps investment organizations unlock deeper insights, improve collaboration, and make faster, more informed decisions using unified and accessible data. Finally, we have Aladdin Copilot, the newest AI-driven assistant within the Aladdin ecosystem. Aladdin Copilot uses generative AI and natural language processing to surface insights quickly and efficiently. Users can ask questions like, "What's my portfolio exposure to China?" or request draft investment commentary for client reports. By automating research and decision support tasks, Aladdin Copilot significantly enhances productivity for portfolio managers, analysts, and advisors, acting as an intelligent, always-on assistant within the platform. And with that, we've reached the end of our walkthrough of Aladdin by BlackRock. If you're a financial institution or asset manager looking for enterprise-grade tools to manage complex portfolios, mitigate risk, and enhance performance, Aladdin could be your next competitive advantage. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.